Stop scrolling. Seriously. If you are even thinking about buying an FPV drone, if you are saving for the ultimate flying machine, or if you simply crave the most immersive flight experience possible, you need to put your wallet down, look away from the horizon, and listen to every single word of this 30-minute deep dive. Because for the last year, while the drone community has been busy flying their Avatas and their sinew hoops, DJI has been secretly engineering something so advanced, so revolutionary, it's going to make every existing FPV drone feel like a toy from the last decade. We are talking about the DJI Avata 3. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just an iteration. This isn't just an upgrade. This is the drone that fixes every flaw, grants every wish, and delivers a flight experience that borders on telepathy. We've gathered every critical leak, every patent filing, and every high-level rumor to bring you the full, unvarnished truth. Get ready to have your expectations utterly annihilated. The power plant. Flight time that defies physics. Let's address the elephant in the sky right now. Flight time. The Avata 1 was fast, but it was thirsty. The number one leak, the one every pilot has been praying for, is a massive leap in battery technology and efficiency. Rumors point to a complete redesign of the intelligent flight battery system. We're talking about a rumored flight time of over 25 minutes. 25 minutes. That is almost double the usable flight time of its predecessor. A combination of highly efficient motors, a much lighter carbon fiber frame, and possibly a move to higher density Li-ion cells, specifically tailored for sustained power. This single upgrade fundamentally changes the FPV game. It means fewer battery changes, less landing anxiety, and more time in the flow. Your cinematic long takes just became possible. The camera. Say goodbye to crop and jello. The original Avata's footage was good, but it suffered from two key issues: a narrow field of view and noticeable jello in some conditions. Prepare for those problems to be vaporized. The most exciting camera leak is the move to a much larger sensor, potentially a 1/1.3 inch or even a 1-inch sensor. A sensor this large on a sub-800G sinew hook body would be unprecedented. This means vastly better low-light performance, dramatically cleaner dynamic range, and a cinematic depth that FPV pilots have always had to fake in post. We are also strongly anticipating 4K at 120 frames per second as a standard feature, allowing for breathtaking slow motion. But the true game changer is the rumored mechanical gimbal integration. Not just software stabilization, but a true, lightweight 2-axis mechanical stabilization system integrated behind the prop guards. This eliminates jello forever, giving you buttery smooth footage even through the hardest maneuvers. The goggles and controller. Immersive beyond belief. The flight experience is only as good as the interface. And this is where the Avata 3 leaps into the future. The goggles, the next generation of the DJI goggles, are rumored to be ditching the large, cumbersome form factor for a sleeker, potentially micro-OLED display design. This means higher resolution, deeper blacks, and a field of view that literally consumes your entire vision. The connection. A highly reliable O3 plus OcuSync transmission that guarantees a crystal-clear, low-latency feed even in dense urban environments. Forget interference and stutter. This will feel like you're actually sitting in the